So this is a 2012 Corsa D model, 1.4 litre, and this Corsa has symptoms of the engine cooling fan continually running, and on occasion the red light appearing on the dashboard indicating an overheat situation. And I want to show you what is a cause of that. On occasion the coolant bottle will overpressurize and flow out, but it hasn't done that for a while. And the issue is this thermostat housing here, okay, with a sensor on it. That goes defective and causes the fan to come on. So in this video we're going to remove that housing and replace it. So the first thing we're going to do is to remove this plug, and then we are going to remove this clip to get the hose off the housing. In fact, the first thing we're going to do, so we can get a little bit more access, is we're going to remove this. So this screw there. That's the hose off, and then we've got 3 little bolts to take out. There's one at the bottom, you can just see that there. I thought it'd be useful to show you how to get that plug off actually. So what you need to do is get a little screwdriver underneath this piece and lever it up slightly, and then it'll allow, I'll pull it off to make it easy to show you, it'll allow that to lift over that little pin. Yeah, so as you lift that tab, it'll allow it to come over that little pin, and you can pull the plug off. Okay, and that is our old unit. Okay, the next step will be to clean up this face with some fine wet and dry paper. Okay, the new unit's fitted. Do not over tighten these bolts, okay? You're only nipping up against plastic with little metal inserts there, so yeah, just nip them up, don't over tighten them. Okay, so that's all in. Okay, I do tend to put a little bit of lubrication actually on the bolts, on the bolt threads. Yeah, that's just my preference, just in case it needs to come out later. But yeah, okay, we've got some coolant in, a little bit over full because I expect there's going to be some air pockets in there. And we're going to start it up now, run the heater inside the car, the heater fan, put it on full, and let's see if we've got any leaks anywhere. Well, that's superb news, no leaks, and very importantly, the cooling fan is not running. It was initially, probably for the first 20 seconds, and now the system's settled in and it's not running any longer. And also importantly, the little service indicator light on the dashboard is no longer there, which was coming on because the fan was running. So yeah, there we go. A job well done. Probably took me, I don't know, because I'm videoing it, it probably took me 20 minutes. You could actually do it quicker than that. It's a really quick and easy job to do actually. As long as you figure out that the clip there, and I showed you on the video how to get that off. That's probably the hardest bit. Nice easy job. Let us know in the comments if you do this kind of job, and if this video was helpful. Oh, got my teeth in. Helpful for you. Okay, take care everyone. Bye bye.